Select the target rig. Now let's look at the settings to add a new FK limb lock and play the animation. Sometimes Auto Rig Pro baking or remapping to FK causes issues. In this case, you can see that the model's feet are not still, they are sliding. We can fix that problem easily. Let's add a lock for the right foot. The secondary bone is the parent. Note that we have to select the rest of the bone chain up to the last parent, which is the root master bone. Click Lock and we have our first locked limb. Now only the left foot is sliding. Let's add a lock for it as well. Follow the same procedure. Select the target, the secondary bone, and the rest of the bone chain. The feet are now perfectly still. We can hide and show the auxiliary empties at any time. Now let's do something more interesting. Let's place the foot on the cube perfectly locked. Position the foot carefully and rotate it so it looks natural. Now we have both feet perfectly still, one on the ground and one on the cube. Next, bake the lock so all constraints and empties are removed. A list showing all the locks to be baked will appear. We can select a specific frame range interval if desired, but in this case, we are baking the entire interval. Let's take a look. The animation is perfect. The feet are planted on the surfaces, and the best part is that we are using only FK mode with no constraints. This is the way to go if you plan to export the animation to another platform or if you want to stick with FK mode.